This is a 2012 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 5.4-liter V8. All of the following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a 4-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Champion Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 6250 South Padre Island Drive in Corpus Christi.